Hello everyone, if you're trying to use the Rockstar Games Launcher and you keep getting this error, the Rockstar Games Launcher requires an update, then you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error on the Rockstar Games Launcher easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that the Rockstar Games Launcher is fully closed from your computer. So you're going to come here, right click on Rockstar Games Launcher, click exit, and then you're going to open up the task manager. You're going to search for any processes related to the Rockstar Games Launcher. As you can see, they're all closed for me. If you have any processes open, just close them. After that, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here services.msc. You're going to look for a service called Program Compatibility Assistance Service. So press P on your keyboard here. Here it is, Program Compatibility Assistance Service. Right click on it, click Properties, click Startup Type, set it to either automatic or automatic delayed start. After that, click Start on here and then click Apply. OK, and then close this up. And now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to right click on your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on your network connection, click properties, click internet protocol version 4, click properties again, click use the following DNS server addresses, write on here 1.1.1.1, and the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK again, and then close this up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Rockstar Games Launcher, but make sure to run it as admin. So right click on it, click run as admin, click yes, and now it will force update the Rockstar Games Launcher, and once it's done updating, now you can go ahead and play any of the Rockstar games you want. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.